Yeah, good morning everybody. Just out here in the diggings in the Golden Triangle. Bit of surfacing and some mining up there on the top of the hill. Just working this slope down here and seeing what I can find. Got a friend over there, I don't know if you can see him. A wallaby. But you can see the quartz, a lot of it's water worn. Shed off the hill. There goes my mate, and I'm just going to check along here and see what I can find. So just walking along this slope here. I'm at the other side of it now. I've just got a bit of a target down here. I've dug a bit. Well, it's a good signal. It's out of the hole. Let's see if you can hear it. I'm not sure if that picked up, but I'll see if I can find it. I've got my Fitbit on. Okay. It's screaming at me now. I'm gonna have to put it down. Nope. Yep. Where's focus, damn it. There you go. Nice little bit. A bit further down from where I found the last bit, and let's just scrape it this time. Hopefully it's a signal. I've just scraped the top off. I'll dig deeper, see what we got. Yeah, a bit of a signal under this scrape mark here that I've just made. See what it is. Hopefully it's a bit of gold again. So I'm down a couple of inches. Still pretty loud. I'm hopeful we got the right colour stuff. Just cut into a bit of lighter coloured clay, and it's still in there. Keep digging. Okay, so I've got down to even heavier clay, the red clay. Now it's out here. Let's see what it is. I've got it out, I've classified it down to that much. So it's in here somewhere. I think it might be this bit here. Yep, it's gold. I think it's gold. Yes, it's gold. Woohoo! Bring it on. I reckon that's a gram. It's pretty heavy. Oh, cool, it's a specky. Wow, it's got a bit of quartz on it. It's my first one with a bit of quartz attached to it. Anyway, Ripper Rita.